These pancakes were made without any eggs by using apple cider vinegar. So if you're suffering from the egg shortage or the price of eggs is just too high, you can just use some apple cider vinegar to make them fluffy. No egg, it's not going to be fluffy. I've been making pancakes like this forever because of the egg allergies in my household. Whether you use boxed pancake mix or make it from scratch, the apple cider vinegar is going to react with the baking soda and baking powder and create these beautiful bubbles so that the pancakes are fluffy. Okay, so I'm gonna make this sushi rice. I'm gonna make it in a rice pot for convenience, and you just have to take a cup of this rice, rinse it about 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear. Follow the box instructions. Just going to cut it, and it's a cup of rice to a cup and a quarter of water. Okay. Mama, I wanna know too much the world keeps turning. Oh, what a day, what a day. Peace and blessings manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge were your wealth, then it would be well earned. If we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, no, no, no. My time keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, no, no, no. All right to the break of dawn. Oh, no, no, no. My time keeps moving like a rolling stone. No, no, no. Gotta do it, I'ma sing my song. I was born underwater with $3 and 6 dimes. Yeah, you may laugh, 'cause you did not do your math. Like 1, 2, 3. Damn, y'all feel it? Like 1, 2, 3. The earth keeps turning. Oh, what a day! What a day! What a day! Hello, I'm gonna make Earl Grey matcha because I have matcha and I have Earl Grey tea, and it seems like the easiest one to make out of the 3 that I saw on YouTube. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this. I already steeped some milk with an an Earl Grey tea bag last night, so it was steeping overnight. So the Earl Grey infused. What's up with me? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So this milk was infused with the Earl Grey tea. Now, I believe it said if you were making it warm or hot, then you wouldn't need to do this overnight. All right, so let's get started. And I think I'm gonna make it to go. Yes. So this is 120 grams of milk, which is about 1/2 cup. 1 Earl Grey tea bag, 4 grams of matcha, 50 grams of water. So let's go ahead and yes, let's measure that. Here's some water. Zero it out. We want to do 50 grams. It's
for the grams. That's 49. That's 50. This smells good. This matcha is so good. This is still the matcha I got from Japan. And I'm almost out and I'm gonna be sad because I'm gonna have to find a new matcha that is just as pleasant. All matchas do not taste good. They just don't. Some are bitter and just funky. So like sometimes if you think you don't like matcha, it's probably the matcha powder that you got. All right, now we're just gonna, that's good. A little frothy. Okay, it's a nice froth. Definitely eat. See that? So now we're gonna go ahead and fart milk. You know what? Maybe we should put ice in it first. Okay, so I'm actually missing a step. I was supposed to put a tablespoon of brown sugar and vanilla paste. Vanilla bean paste. I only have vanilla extract, so we're gonna do that with. And I only have turbinado sugar. I don't know if that's gonna work. Well, it's warm, so it should work. And the vanilla extract, so we're just gonna use that. A little splash. And with matcha. I don't know about that. I don't know about this. It smells good. Okay. It definitely smells really good with that vanilla. So we're gonna go ahead and maybe I should leave some for frothy, some froth, because I don't have any. I don't know what she puts on top. She didn't really say. So let's just see. Let's froth this. Okay. All right. She never said what was on top, but I'm just gonna assume it's this. It's pretty. Let's see if it tastes good. Okay, let's see how this tastes. That tastes absolutely scrumptious. That tastes good. That tastes good. The hint of Earl Grey tea is in there. And it gives the matcha like a, I don't know, it's a pleasant flavor. And this is not too sweet at all. That's pretty good. All right. You gotta get ready to go. PJ has gymnastics. So, yeah, that was good. I probably didn't even need it in the to-go cup because I'm gonna drink it before I leave. I'm gonna leave the recipe, or leave the recipe down in the bottom, along with the channel I got it from. Okay. All right. I want to show you my sweater really quickly. Is this such a nice sweater? The back of it. So the company's called Made for His Purpose. I'm not sure if they're still in business, but I had this sweater for about 3 years, 2-3 years. I love it. Yeah, if you could find the website. I need to find out if she's still in business, but if she is, I'll link it down below. But yeah. Okay, I changed my hat because, you know, life gives you options. You have to, you know, choose wisely. So I'm gonna wear that hat instead. Yeah. That was it. Again, no bag because we're trying to go there and come back. Light. Alright, pack lights.
Pack light.
So I ordered a cologne for my husband because he likes it a lot. I said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get it. Sergio of Alexandria too. It is a beautiful scent. Beautiful scent. Now, I'm excited to open it, but I think I'm gonna wait. Like, I'm anxious. I want to hurry to come home and open it because he doesn't know he's getting it. So it's like one of those just because, you know, I was thinking about you. So yeah, he's not expecting it, and I gotta wait till he comes home. And part of me just wants to open it just to smell it, because we had like little samples from Nose Paris. That's the good thing about ordering from Nose Paris. If you never ordered from Nose Paris before, you get to pick like 6 samples. And one of the samples that I picked, they didn't have, so they wound up sending me the Sergio of Alexandria too, and I just gave it to him, and he loved it. He fell in love. So yeah, I'm excited to see this thing. Oh yeah. I will be back when he opens it, because I'm going to let him open it. Hey, I am. Unless he says I can open it.